Hello guys, part 1 to 15. The revelation. Angelo has a look-alike, a human person named R.A. Ronald, my childhood sweetheart. I thought he was died on a motor accident. That his mother told me, but his mother a lie. He was comatose, he was alive, he was okay and has a family as of now. We have closure. Ayoko nang maloko muli. Ayoko nang masaktan muli. We're just friend only na lang. And Angelo affirmed to my dreams that he is not R.A. or Ronald. He is my guardian angel, as he said to me on my dreams. You know what? I thought you were R.A. My childhood sweetheart a years ago died a motor accident. I thought you are a spirit, souls that affirm to me. But in my dreams you affirm, you said, you're not. You're my guardian angel. Look alike, face of R.A. I discovered that R.A. was live and has a family now. And we're friends, but a closure as a friendship na lang. And you're right, you're my angel. Thankful.